What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tykara and today I'm going to be filming my 2-month lock update video. We made it to 2 months. If you guys have never seen any of my videos before, then you don't know that I started my micro lock journey 2 months ago on November 22nd, 2018. My micro locks were started with 2-strand twists. Yeah, they're DIY. My mom did them and she's not a beautician or a loctician or anything. We are just doing this ourselves. She installed them for me and I am learning how to retighten it on my own. So in the meantime, she is being very loyal and helping me retighten my hair. So I have a whole playlist dedicated to my DIY micro locks, so you guys can go check that out. I have my installation day. It's more like a mini vlog of me getting it done. I have a 1-month lock update. I have a interlocking video, first interlocking session. I have that video up as well. So if you want to go see any of those videos, then I'll have them linked in the eye. As far as washing my hair goes, I still wash my hair once a week, and whenever I do that, I braid and band. I have a video of my first wash day up and I do the same exact thing. I use the same products. I use the Kenra clarifying shampoo. Still using it. So you guys know, if you watch any of my vlogs, that I have been on the fence about using a clarifying shampoo every single time I wash my hair every week, because one of you guys commented that I shouldn't because it's stripping my hair of its natural oils because it's a clarifying shampoo, and that I should alternate between a clarifying shampoo and a moisturizing shampoo. If you guys didn't see in my last vlog, I went to Ulta stressed out, running around looking for a moisturizing shampoo and I couldn't find one. So I just came to the conclusion that I still needed to use a clarifying shampoo because my hair is still very soft. It's not locked yet. A couple of you guys also said that I should still be sticking to the clarifying shampoo. So as of right now, that's just what I'm going to do because I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to get it in. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to get it how I live it. Y'all's advice that I do on my own research. So I'm just going to keep on using this clarifying shampoo. Now whenever I use this, I do dilute it with a spray bottle full of water. So yeah. What else is new? Itching. Haven't had much of it lately and I'm very happy about that. I used to have itching a lot, like within the first couple of weeks, but now it has kind of subsided. If for some reason my hair does begin to itch, sometimes I just try to stick it out and just leave it. But if I just can't take it anymore, I use one of 2 oils. The first one is softening sweet almond oil. Whenever I use this, is it focused on it? Whenever I use this, I mainly just put it on my scalp. I never like put oil on my hands and like run my hair through with oil. I never do that. So I either use this one or I also use jojoba oil sometimes. So it just depends. The thing that I like about the almond oil is that the smell is very minimum. Like it doesn't leave like a smell in your hair. But with the jojoba oil, I like that it's very thin. Like it's very liquidy and I like that because it's not heavy. So yeah, that's as far as that goes. And moisturizing, I still only moisturize my hair about once every couple of weeks. At first I had tried to stop altogether, but I run track. I just wanted to prevent my hair from getting brittle. I know it's supposed to be dry so that it can lock, but it's just, the feeling was like spray some water on it. So I sprayed some water on it. I sprayed some water on it the other day, actually last night, and this is a braid out. So yeah, that's the only time. I hardly ever spray my hair with water or anything. I usually just let it be. I want to ask you guys, since I run track and I'm outside a lot in the heat, the Texas heat, not just the heat, the Texas heat, do you guys think that I should invest in some kind of a heat protectant spray that I spray my hair with before I go out and run and stuff? I've been thinking about that, but I just wasn't sure and I didn't want to like get any products or anything. The bottle that I use to moisturize my hair with is this 360 mister. The point of this is that whenever you spray it, it mists. That's a weird word to say, mist. Okay, it just mystifies. It's just like, can you even see that? It's like going everywhere. The rosemary oil is in here and water, so that's what this is. I'm going to go ahead and show you what my hair looks like up close. As far as my ends go, I have noticed, I don't want to say budding because like I annoy my mom with that. Like every week I'm like, ooh, it's starting to bud, ooh, it's budding, and she's like, no, it's not. But I just know that it is, you know. So I'm going to show you guys where. Watch, I can't find it now, but this is just a close-up of my ends. Yeah guys, like I said, this is a braid out. Also, the last thing that I want to update you guys on is that I'm thinking about going back and braiding the ends of my hair. If you guys don't see, look, what is that? Do you see that knot at the end there? Is that budding or am I just overexcited? But what is that though? Do you see? Is that budding or am I just tripping? If you guys watched my last lock update, then you know that I mentioned in one of my previous videos, actually, I don't even know if it was the last lock update, but I did say that some of my hair was braided. Like after, okay, I started my hair with 2-strand twists, but after the twist, some of them, like my mom braided the ends, and some of them she just kept twisting and like curled the ends like that. But I have noticed that the ones that we have braided are not coming loose. They're not coming undone or anything, and they're usually like abnormally long, and you can tell which ones are braided. Like this one, the ends of this one was braided. I don't know if you can tell. But you see how like sturdy that looks compared to one that was twisted like this one. Do you see the difference? Like how tightly compacted this one is and then how like loose this one is. So what I've been thinking about is actually going through and just braiding all of them, because like I'm just kind of getting tired of them unraveling. It doesn't happen a lot, but it happens sometimes. So I've just been thinking about going in and re-braiding all the ends. But my only concern is that if I go in and I braid them, I feel like I'll be compromising my volume. I feel like the twisted ends is what gives it like that fluff. It's not much now because this is like a first day braid out, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, then like you know what I'm talking about, that fluff. Now I'm going to give you a close-up of my locks so that you can see what they look like up close. So this is the left side, and y'all already know that my left side is less dense than this side.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
And then as far as length goes, we started my hair with about 14 inches. So it's like right here. Alright y'all, so I'm about to get off of here because the lighting is getting all wonked and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this 2-month lock update. Like I said before, not much has changed, but you know, we getting there. I mean, my ends are getting, you know, more tangled and stuff, so the locking process I feel like has begun. I should have been kept the side part, but anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and also thank you for all of the love and support and knowledge that you guys have been giving me through my other videos. I really appreciate it. Keep commenting and keep, you know, letting me know what you know. I'm really enjoying this locked community. It's really bomb. That's all I have to say, and that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. Both of those are at @tykara.ann, and you can also follow me on Twitter if you would like. That is at @tykara.ann. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so you will be one of the exclusive people to be notified whenever I post a new video. If you made it this far in the video, I want you to comment down below this emoji. Don't forget to hashtag and we out in the comments. I'm signing off and I'm out.